right, guys, lesson 5, how to maximize your credit limit. There are 2 important factors on how to do that. So go ahead and visit Doctor of Credit. Remember, in the beginning of our course, I mentioned doctorofcredit.com, which is a valuable resource on how to research credit and get the latest on bonuses, credit card offers, how to avoid getting hard inquiries when you're trying to maximize your credit. So number 1 is minimizing the hard inquiries on your credit. When applying for credit, credit card companies may pull a hard inquiry, especially if you're establishing a new relationship, they have to. But after an already established relationship, you may avoid getting a hard inquiry. So let's go ahead and look at the screen here. We can go by the table of contents. We can see each and every credit card company and their terms and conditions on their hard inquiries. As you can see, American Express does not do a hard pull for credit limit increase. So if you already have an American Express Platinum or any credit card with American Express, they don't pull a hard inquiry. So these are the credit card companies you want to establish a relationship with quick after you repair your credit and get approved for them, because they're not going to do a hard inquiry on your credit as you increase your credit limits and so on and so forth. So you guys, I'm just a messenger here. You guys can figure it out for yourself. I've given you the link. It is right here, doctorofcredit.com/maximize-your credit. Put that into your URL and research. Bank of America's on here, Barclays card, and Chase. Okay. As you can see, you can relocate your credit limits, reallocate your credit limits with Chase Online, resulting in a soft pull as long as your limit is below $35,000. Make sure that you become familiarized with these terms and conditions. If you have a credit card in your arsenal, then you need to make sure that you read up and research on how to use it, okay? Credit card is a tool. It's like a car. We get a license on how to drive, but no one gets a license on how to use their credit. So this is the license, this is the formula on how to use your credit cards, how to avoid getting a hard inquiry. Because remember, if you want to work with Chase, Chase is the king. Chase has that 524 rule, and what the 524 rule is, you cannot apply for more than 4 to 5 credit cards within a 24-month. Otherwise, you're not going to get the best credit cards, okay? All right, so now number 2 is when you're applying for credit, you may have got denied for credit, or maybe you got approved for a soft pull. You got approved for a certain credit limit increase, but if you want to get a higher credit limit increase, call the Reconsideration Line. The Reconsideration Line is on their website. On this website especially, for each credit card, you can just click on the links here and you will find them. And you can humanize and you can create a case and argument as to why you should be approved. Remember, there are credit repair and credit building laws such as the Equal Credit Opportunity Act. If you believe that you were treated unfairly or you deserve this credit limit increase, you can dispute that with them in a civil fashion. So the Reconsideration Line is for you to humanize and negotiate for that credit limit increase. Whether you got approved for one or denied, it's definitely your source. So that's basically lesson 5, how to maximize your credit. 2 important rules here. Minimize the hard inquiries and always call the Reconsideration Line whether you get approved or not for a soft pull or denied for a soft or hard pull. All right, that's lesson 5. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment below in the forum and I'll see you guys in the next lesson.